There's like a river in...
Video. This is a river in our front yard. Yes.
Literally. It's like flowing down.
My car's gonna drown.
It's a creek.
It
Doing its tires
is
at least.
a creek.
Mini
that.
creek.
Come,
I don't
come
really
to the
look
back.
forward to driving in this.
Let's go to the backyard.
Awkward.
Actually, down here.
Okay. Look at that.
And then look at the stream in our backyard.
Stream. Stream of water.
Yes, very much so. And let's take a tour to the side of our house.
The side of the house.
Come and check a pond in our house, on the side of our house.
Exactly.
And
This
if you
is how
want to
much
turn a little,
this is how much mud my neighbor has in his yard.
yes, very much.
Okay, so thank you for watching. Goodbye. And then one more last word from my sponsor, Timothy.